In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make your phone talk to you when you put it on charge.
On charge.
I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Make sure you stay to the end of this video because I've got a couple other ideas you can do of making your phone speak to you. But you need to make sure that you are on iOS 13 or above. Hello everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. First, you want to go into Settings, then down to Screen Time, then See All Activity, then go down to the bottom, then tap Shortcuts, then you want to turn off Allow Notifications. That means you'll be able to hear the person talking. Then go into Shortcuts, then Auto Animation, then tap the plus icon, then Create Personal Automation, then go down to the bottom, then tap Charger, as I find it's the most effective. Then make sure it is connected, then tap Next, then tap Add Action, then you can type in the search bar, Speak Text, then tap Speak Text, tap Text, then you can type in what you want. I'm going to type in on charge, then tap Done when you're finished typing what you want. Then you can tap Show More. Then you can do the rate, the pitch, and the language, and also the voice. Also, you can press the play button at the bottom right corner to hear it.
On charge.
Then tap Next. Then turn off Ask Before Running because it will give you notification to run this automation that you don't want. Then tap Don't Ask. Then tap Done. Here is where you'll be able to delete a automation. First, you want to be in Shortcuts, then Automation, then swipe left on the one that you want to delete. Slowly. Then you can either tap Delete, or you can continue going left until the delete text is to the left. That means when you let go, it will be deleted. Like that. This is it in action.
On charge.
There's a couple others you can make your phone speak to you. Time of day, alarm, arrive somewhere, leave somewhere, message someone, when you connect to a Wi-Fi network or Bluetooth. Also when your battery reaches a certain level, and also when you disconnect your phone from the charger. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.